Hi, my name is Abu Fatana. Welcome to the tutorial of physical movement in mobile VR. I want to explain to you how to make the physical movement in simple mobile phone without any external hardware, even without any gyroscope sensor. Let's do this. In this course, we will learn how to make a new movement system for VR app. Then we will learn how to make a great situation for test our app in real condition. After it, we will try to export an APK and test it. Then, in the next step, we will learn how to teleport between 2 points in VR and how to check the device can support the AR foundation and surface tracking or not. In the next step, we will learn how to recognize the voice and change it to the string variable to do every function as we want. Lights on. Alright. Lights off.
Close the door.